Hello and welcome back to Infosphers YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to color correct your picture to achieve a green moody tone. First, we'll start by duplicating the background image. Press Ctrl+J to create the duplicate. Click on the duplicate layer and rename it Color. Then, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves. Adjust the RGB curve to create an S shape to enhance contrast while keeping it dark and moody. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Color Balance, and use the following values to add a dark green tint. In Shadows, Cyan, -20. Magenta, +30. Yellow, -10. In Midtones, Cyan, -10. Magenta, +20. Yellow, -5. In Highlights, Cyan, -5. Magenta, +5. Yellow, +10. After that, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Selective Color to enhance the moodiness of the colors. Use these settings. In Yellows, Cyan, -20. Magenta, +10. Yellow, +23. In Greens, Cyan, -20. Magenta, +10. Yellow, -50. Black, +5. In Whites, Cyan, -30. Black, -14. In Neutrals, Cyan, +5. Yellow, -20. Black, +5. In Blacks, Cyan, +10. Yellow, +5. Black, +5. Take a look at the before and after. Now, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. Choose a black to dark green gradient. Set the left color to #004DOO, dark green. Set the right color to #000. Hit OK and set the blending mode to soft light. Reduce the opacity to around 15 to 30%. I think 15% looks best for this image. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Hue, Saturation. For overall desaturation, use the following. Saturation, -25. Take another look at the before and after. You'll notice a massive improvement. Now, select the first layer, hold Shift, and click on the last layer to select all the layers. Drag all the layers onto the group icon or press Ctrl+G to group them. Select the Color layer and add a vignette by going to Filter, Lens Correction, Custom. Under Vignette Settings, Amount, -35. Midpoint, +50. Hit OK and look at the final before and after comparison. Finally, select the group and add a mask. Choose a soft round brush and paint on the little girl because we don't want the color effect on her. I'll speed up the video for you to save time. Take a final look at the before and after. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.